30 Unusual Succulents and Cacti for the Modern Gardener. Unusual succulents and cacti are progressively popular among modern-day garden enthusiasts for their unique shapes, colors, and textures. Succulents and cacti are easy to take care of. These plants are drought-tolerant and can endure a series of lighting conditions, making them ideal for both outdoor and indoor gardening. Aeonium zwartkop. Echeveria black prince. Agave attenuata. Crassula Buddha's temple. Cereus peruvianus monstruosus. Sedum pachyphyllum. Euphorbia lacti cristata. Aloe blue elf. Mammillaria elongata. Opuntia microdosis bunny ears. Uncommon succulents and cacti are a special addition to any contemporary garden. With correct care, these unusual succulents and cacti can add lasting beauty to your garden for numerous years. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.